Hello everyone, and welcome to the Ninja Forms 3 Discovery videos, where we're showing off some features that you may or may not have noticed if you were trying out our demo or installed the beta version yourself. We are getting really close to launching this thing live for everyone, including all of our add-ons being updated. But we wanted to show off a few of the features that we have going on. And today I want to look at some new things that are either new or enhanced or changed a little bit from the previous version. To start, I want to talk about some new fields that we've added called pricing fields. We have advanced calculations, and we will have them again under advanced, but they are really open-ended. They're prone for users to make a lot of mistakes in math equations and things like that, and they're complicated because they are advanced calculations. But we're the only form builder that I know of that offers those, so we still want to do that, but we wanted to create a way that's easy for users to create more simple calculations for things like adding a product or a quantity or shipping and totals and things like that. So we've added these product fields where you can actually add a product to your form. You can give your product a name, set a price for it, and of course if you want to do something different like have multiple products in a drop down or a radio list or something like that, you can do that as well. And these fields will automatically add to your total. So if you have a total field, that will automatically calculate all the information from your products and your quantities if you tie a quantity to a product, or if you just choose to use the quantity that's attached to a product field, you can do that. There are other fields there as well, like shipping and modifiers to modify the product. So I just wanted to kind of point those fields out to you. They are new to Ninja Forms anyway, and they do give you a little bit of ability to do some calculations without having to do really advanced calculation stuff. So it makes it a little easier for especially when you're trying to collect payments or sign up people up for a service or anything like that. It makes it a little easier. The other thing that's new, or at least changed, is our merge tags. So like under default value, you'll see this little button here. We used to do these tokenized kind of things that were fairly inflexible, but now we have these little merge tags that open up. So based on we can insert our current fields into these, or user data if they're logged in, or post data if it's on a poster page or something like that, or even some system stuff like date and IP address. So if you wanted to put like the date stamp or a time stamp on a hidden field for your form, you could do something like that. You could just tie these. You could say, hey, the default name should be the first name if they're logged in. Then you could say the same is true for the last name field. If they're logged in, let's go ahead and let's tie that into that. You can also use this in your emails and actions. So if you're setting up an email, you may say, oh, I want the reply to be the user's email address, so that when I click reply, that's done. And this will also work throughout our editor for the body of the message, and BCC, all throughout our action system and our success messages. You'll be able to use it in various places like that. But it's really nice because it gives us it's really easy to extend add-ons. We'll be able to add new features into it, and I'm really excited about that. So that's our new pricing fields and our merge tags that we're really excited for you guys to see and play around with. If you'd like to test them out for yourself, just check out our demo at 3.ninjaforms.com. That's THREE.ninjaforms.com. We hope you'll give it a spin for yourself, and tune in for our next video where we will be discussing creating forms with only your keyboard. It's a very cool feature.